Good morning, Bring a Trailer. Just wanted to do a cold start video. I have my hand on the exhaust manifold. It's nice and cold. It's been parked here overnight. Starts up perfectly every time. Just wanted to put the parking brake down so you could see that there's no brake warning lights. The oil pressure is high. The oil temperature is low, obviously because of the engine being cold. It idles perfectly every time. And the engine is incredibly silent, and obviously the engine temperature is cold. The engine is incredibly silent and smooth. There's no vibration. There's no oil sweating. These 2.2 inline 5 turbos are bulletproof. There's not a single drop of any fluid underneath. But we did everything we could on the mechanical items like spark plugs, fuel filters twice. All the rotors, all the brake hoses, all the brake pads, 4 tires. So it's totally sorted mechanically. And there's no oil sweating or any fluid drops anywhere. So good with confidence. This is a well-maintained, beautiful Escort.